Alright, hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here, and I have the Otterbox Symmetry case here in front of you for the iPhone 12 or iPhone 12 Pro. So I picked this one up at Best Buy. Now it was $49.99 when I bought it, and this one is the clear color with like a gray side, so I think they call it Moonwalker is from what I understand. So let's go ahead and dive into this and see what we get. So obviously branding here, Drop Plus, 3 times tested towards military standards, so I think it's a 13-foot drop test on this particular case, so that's good. Ultra thin design, wireless charging, compatible. Now one thing I love is it does say compatible with iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. One thing I hate is iPhone 2020 medium. Stick with this, not this. I hate that. 5G compatible, so it's letting you know the materials that they make the case with aren't going to interfere with your 5G antennas. And then it is their give back program. So as far as everything goes, symmetry on the side there, symmetry on the side there, UPC there. On the back, just the same old verbiage as usual. So drop plus, 3 times as many drops once again. Pocket friendly design, raised edges, perfect camera and screen. And then of course, or protect, not perfect, I don't know why I said perfect. And then easy on off. So let's go ahead and get this open. So yeah, just kind of pull that tab there, open it up, and pull the case out. So there we have it. So there's the case itself without the phone. Yeah, so there we go. Inside, all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and slap the phone on. So it is once again a clear kind of semi-translucent back. So let's go ahead and put the phone in. So I always do corner to corners and then kind of work my way down. And there we have it. So there is the black phone in the Moonwalker clearish symmetry case. So you see the camera bump there, it's got a nice little cutout and indentation there, so you have the confidence of putting it back down. The semi-translucent back, so you do see the Apple logo and do see the remnants of black of the back case, or the back of the phone. And then of course here on the side, you got the semi-translucent back matching with this like silver color border. And it does have Otterbox branding there. Got your clear power button, and then it kind of goes all around. Got your cutouts here. So you got your port cutout, lightning port cutout, and then your speaker grill cutouts. And then here on the side, you got your volume up and down button with the alert slider cutout there. So as you can see, it looks pretty cool. I actually like the color of it. And it's super slim, like very slim. Like I'm really surprised on actually how slim it is. Feels damn good in the hand. Raised lip there for added protection to put the phone face down and not have any issues. And since it is kind of like a rubbery material, it does stick a little, so it does feel really grippy in the hand. And definitely it looks like it's not going to be a fingerprint magnet with the type of material that the back is. So that's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and do the volume up and down and the power button test. Let's do power button first. Pretty responsive, has a little bit of a weird feel to it, but not bad. Now volume buttons. So volume buttons don't make any noise at all. They're actually a little harder to push than I would like, but not a deal breaker. The volume or the power button, a little bit easier. Now let's go ahead and mess with the alert slider. So the alert slider, the way that how deep it is in there is a little harder to use. But once you figure it out, I mean, you really got to use your fingernails, but not a deal breaker once again. So let's go ahead and do what everyone cares about once again, MagSafe. So let's see if it is MagSafe compatible. And it is. So MagSafe compatible. Now one thing I will point out, as soon as I lift my phone up, it does kind of stay, but if I wiggle it just a little bit, it still stays on. But if I barely touch that cord, it falls right off. So the magnet connection isn't really strong, but strong enough to hold it and a lot easier to find than the Defender Pro that I did a review on yesterday. So yeah, so it is MagSafe compatible, so that's good to know. So yeah, guys, I mean, for the cost, and if you're an Otterbox person and you want something a little bit different that's clear and shows off the phone a little bit and just looks a little bit different than normal cases that I usually buy, I would definitely recommend this one because it feels really good in the hand. Like I said, fingerprints aren't going to be a real big problem. There might be some smudges and things you deal with, but that's kind of normal with any kind of clear back case. But as far as fingerprints go, I'm not really seeing any as I'm touching it. But like I said, the smudges are going to be there. But this material on the sides do feel really good in the hand too. So yeah, there you go. There is the Symmetry Moonwalker edition. So if you're a big Star Wars fan, maybe you want this one too, or I don't know. So Skywalker, get it? Moonwalker, Skywalker. But there you go, guys. See you on the next one. Hit that like button, subscribe. You know what to do all those things. If you don't, I'm gonna be mad at you. I'm just kidding. So anyways, there you go. Be safe.